Hi, to fix connection problem on your QCY T1C, as a first step, just take them out of the case, and now let's open settings on the phone and go in the Bluetooth. So right now, if you see them in the list of devices but you can connect, remove the device from the parent list on your phone. So let's tap the info icon. In my case, here select forget and disconnect this device like this. And after that, just turn off Bluetooth on your device completely by tapping on the switcher. This will update the list of available devices. After that, take your earbuds and put them back into the charging case like that. You should see those red blinking on your earbuds. And now just wait a few seconds and take them out again. So they will automatically go into a pairing mode, and you should see that the indicators are blinking white, meaning they are ready to be paired. So let's just turn on Bluetooth again, and now we shall see our earbuds in the list of other devices. But if not, you can always press those controllers on the top of earbuds till you see this white blinking. So let's just tap to select, and now they should reconnect with the phone, just like that. If you still got some troubles, we can try to factory reset those earbuds. For that, let's just open this QCY app and make sure that the earbuds are connected to this app for now. As you can see, my right earbud is working properly, but unfortunately, left earbud is not shown in this tab. So let's go in the settings here. After that, select more settings and choose this option reset to default. Now let's tap the OK button, and now those earbuds should be reset to their factory default settings, meaning that all of the old connection will be reset, all of the data will be deleted, and so on. So after that, we would need to reconnect them with the phone again. And for that, as we already discussed before, I'm just gonna take them out of the charging case like this. You can see that the indicator is blinking white. And now we need to open settings on the phone. From here, choose Bluetooth like that. And after that, you need to forget your old device. Then we can reset Bluetooth as we did before, turn it on again, and now we should see our QCY T1C device in the list of other devices. So tap on it like that, and now it is reconnected with a phone. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.